Hey guys, so another evening on Corrado, only down here for a little bit. Gonna be doing mainly cleaning more than anything. But I do have some parcels, had some stuff arrive, which is nice. So yeah, all I'm gonna do really, do some unboxing of some bits and bobs, have a clean up and a tidy up. Might take some bits off, I don't really need to, so, well, not what I think of. Might rip this gold off and just redo it all. A couple of people have said go for the gold. One, because it's easy, two, because it'll probably look cool. I'm probably just going to line the whole bay with gold. If it looks shit, I'll just rip it off. Doesn't matter, does it? It's not the end of the world. So yeah, cool. Let's do some unboxing. Sweet. Sweet! Alright guys, got a few parcels. So, first is the diverter valve option. This is a boost activated bypass valve. Now, in my previous video I had one very similar to this. Pretty much identical actually. Problem was, it ran off vacuum, not boost, and it was just freaking hassle to try and have that set up. So, I went for a boost activated one. So similar to my wastegate idea, the only problem is I'm thinking with the wastegate is it won't divert enough air because it only opens up a small amount. Whereas this, if I can get it to open up, boom, pretty much 3-inch, which is the same size as all my boost pipes. So yeah, opens up about like 2 psi I think. Can't remember, but I can always put a boost regulator in it and just slow it down if I want to, or mess around with it. So yeah, number one parcel, cool beans, done, out the way. Number two box, let's have a look. Ooh. Overnight pack from Germany. Let's have a look. So, first we have boom, new housing, nice and shiny, new O-ring, which is always handy, ready for new thermostat, so that's good. Piece of the puzzle. Next, got this one, thermostat. I don't actually need that because in my drawer somewhere, boom, 72-degree thermostat. It's going to work a lot better. So yeah, cool. That can go in with that. Second, thermostat housing again, cover side of it, sorted. Okay, has that got an O-ring on it? I'm not sure. Have a look. Sorted. Right. That piece done. What else we got in here? Got some paperwork. Information I don't understand because it's in German. Invoice. If you want to know what we're looking at, €47, and that's for all those bits you've seen, and another piece for the housing, and a new crack pipe as well. Boom, sorted. Freaking bargain if you ask me. Get rid of that. Some little blocks as well, block offs. So yeah, all the bits we need, basically. Oh, I knocked you there. So, new, old, minging, rusty, broken, full of gunk, crap, nice, clean, new. Happy days. Right. So yeah, that's all that. Need to take the bolts out of this and use the Allen keys. So yeah, that could all go in there anyway. So that one done and out of the way. There's this paperwork that I can't read. Little bag. I know what this is. Nothing exciting. Apart from it's the wrong colour. Fuck's sake. That's supposed to be black, not blue. It's a 90. Right. Well, that's got to go back, doesn't it? Deal. Now for the bit you're all going to judge me on. I don't care because I'm doing it on a budget. And the chances are it'll break like the last one. And that's why I'm not spending a fortune on this part until I've got the car running properly. And that is a nice Chinese turbo. Now, yeah, they are rubbish. I know they're not ideal. They're not amazing. But like I said, I'm on a budget. Get me going. It's exactly the same as what was on there. Happy days. Now, I used to run one of these on my very first turbo setup, which was this turbo I think. One of these turbos on its own ran mint, low boost. I've heard a lot of horror stories. I've heard a lot of success stories. I think you get that in everything. Looks like it's been balanced. It's got a little cutout taken out of there. So there's a good chance it's been balanced. Yeah, there's a little notch in there to show it's been balanced. It runs smooth. I can use my old housing, which has got all the 90 on and is already polished. Happy days. So that's all the bits and bobs for now. All of it a success apart from this horrible blue 90, which I now need to send back and swap it for a black one. So yeah, sweet. Happy days. On to the next bit. Cheers! So, as I was saying earlier, my two options for the diverter valve. Looks cool, will work to a certain extent. Doesn't look so cool, but will work a million times better than that. So, as I was saying earlier, obviously the opening's 60mm, which is pretty big, both ends. But when this actually opens, if you have a look, that's it bottomed out. Now yeah, I know air will flow around it and come out, but it's not a huge amount. Whereas this one, it's pretty much 3 inches open completely. So yeah, I don't know. This will look cool. Look really cool, like I said. But obviously, no point having it looking cool if it doesn't work properly. So, decision made. We're going for the booster activated valve. It's 3 inch. I can put it in position. Chopped a good one. This I'm keeping. It might come in handy. I don't know what on. I got a hot rod that I'm building in the background, so maybe a big old V8 turbo. We'll need a big old wastegate. You could chuck that on there, who knows? I don't know, but yeah. We'll give it a go. But for now, this is the option I'm going for. Sound? Right, let's do some work on the car. Hey guys, how's it going? Right, first of all, apologies for the long gap between videos. A lot's been going on in my personal life. I've moved house, I've had to close the shop down due to all the break-ins and just won't go into that. So I've got a new job, yeah, all sorts. So I haven't had much time to get down here and mess around with the Corrado. But today, or tonight even, what we have done so far is all the gold everywhere. Ain't pretty, but you know, it's not wrinkle free. Well, I don't give a shit. Look how gold it is. Everything gold. Everything gold. Yeah, so I run out of tape, so I need another roll to finish that side. And yeah, what I'm going to do is take the top mounts off, drop them, and I'll cut a piece that will just cover that whole top and finish the edge off on both sides. But gearbox is painted, doesn't look very pretty yet because it's like first or second coat or whatever, so I need a few coats to smooth it all out and get it looking nice. So gearbox is painted, all of that jazz. Got some bits and bobs that you've seen. Like tape, got a 90 there for the thingy will be. Oh yeah, right, so before I go, should we do an unboxing? I started opening it and I thought, nah, I'll save it. Save it for you guys. So, let's get in the car. I'm pretty sure it's not fragile, so smashing this around. It's okay, he says. Turbo works. What's this all about? Apparently, let me get a Stanley. Where are you, Stanley? Scissors will do. Scissors will do. Let me get something to stand you on as well, actually, guys, so you can see it. There we go. Pull these. Open along here. This. Ooh, baby. So shiny. Boom. I'm only gonna got an alley radiator, haven't I? Big old chunky beast. This is gonna keep her cool. 40mm, twin row alley rad. Happy days. All the fucking goodies. Turbo works, apparently. It's gonna make my turbo work, apparently. I'm not so sure. Should we see what it looks like? I'm gonna put that there. You can't really see the front of the car, but oh well. We're gonna plunk it in place anyway. Turbo works. I'm gonna make my turbos work. Are you gonna stay there for me? Woohoo! So, boom! Look at that beast! I don't want to run a frickin'. I don't want to run a bonnet. I'm just gonna run that bonnet. Well, I don't want to run. Never want to run a bonnet, but I have to. But yeah, why not run a bumper? She looks beautiful. 2 fans on the back of that bad boy. 1 fan on the front of the intercooler. All the airs. Chuck the fans on a switch, both of them, so I can turn them on and off whenever I want. All the cools. It's all going to be nice and tight though. This is a fair bit fatter than the old rusty piece of shit. There, look. Definitely seen better days. Right. Sweet boys. Right. I'm going to go home, have some dinner, play a bit of PUBG. Boom. See you later guys, next time. Ta-da! Bye!